A Portsmouth judge dismissed the case surrounding a former daycare owner accused of child abuse. 32-year-old Dewanna Seward faced a 19-count indictment after a fire at her home daycare last year left several kids hurt. Now she walks away free from those charges, and Angelique Arintok tells us why.
Portsmouth Judge Brenda Spry called this an extremely emotional case that's kept her up at night. Ultimately, she ruled to dismiss, partly because the prosecution had an incomplete and uncertified witness list. 32-year-old Dewanna Seward faced charges stemming from an April 2022 fire at her home daycare. Portsmouth fire officials said the incident left at least 7 children hurt. In court last Thursday, Seward's attorney Michael Massey said he never received a witness list from the attorney for the Commonwealth. The prosecutor denied that, but admitted it wasn't completed correctly. In court on Tuesday, another lawyer from the Commonwealth's attorney's office argued the prosecution complied with the spirit of discovery law. In response, Judge Spry mentioned having prior discovery issues with the Commonwealth's attorney's office in other cases, adding rules are not suggestions.
Commonwealth attorneys have an obligation not just to seek convictions, but to seek justice. And there are additional ethical duties of the prosecutor.
After denying a motion for mistrial and a motion to set the charges aside, Spry marked the end of the case by ruling to dismiss it with prejudice.
It will not be decided on its merits at any point in the future, and the charges will not come back.
Outside the courtroom, Massey teared up, telling reporters he felt a bit overwhelmed because children are involved. Massey added, quote, "This is a terrible result for the families, but my client has been waiting for this nightmare to end." In Portsmouth, Angelique Arintok, 13 News Now.
Families involved did not want to comment after the ruling. 13 News Now also reached out to the Commonwealth's Attorney's Office for their response, but we have not yet heard back.